Imagine this. Your business suffers a loss. A fire, a flood, theft, equipment damage. You are stressed, tired, confused, but hopeful. You open your laptop. You write one simple email to your insurance company. You hit send. And just like that, your entire insurance claim is destroyed. No court, no warning, no second chance. Just a denial letter weeks later that says, based on your own statement, today, I want to show you how one email can kill your insurance claim. Why insurance companies love that email. And how thousands of small business owners unknowingly sabotage themselves. This video is not about tricks. It's about truth, wording, psychology, and risk. If you are a US small business owner, this may be the most important insurance video you ever watch. Insurance companies don't just investigate damage. They investigate language. Every word you write becomes evidence, a recorded statement, a permanent legal document. Your email is not just an email. It is logged, stored, reviewed by claims adjusters, reviewed by supervisors, reviewed by lawyers. And here's the truth most people don't know. Right finger insurance companies trust your written words more than photos, reports, or emotions. Because you wrote it, because you admitted it, because you confirmed it, even if you were wrong, even if you guessed, even if you were trying to be helpful. Let me show you an example. A business owner sends this email. I think the damage may have been happening for a while. I didn't really notice it earlier. It might be partly our fault. That's it. That single email is enough to trigger late reporting, trigger wear and tear exclusions, trigger maintenance negligence, trigger policy violation. The insurance company doesn't need proof anymore. You gave it to them. Insurance adjusters are often polite, friendly, supportive. They say things like, just send me a quick email. Put it in writing for our records. It helps speed things up. Sounds harmless, right? But understand this clearly. Right finger adjusters are trained to collect statements, not protect you. Their job is to reduce payouts, identify exclusions, lock in your words early. Once you write something, you cannot undo it. Here is the most dangerous sentence in insurance. I think the leak started months ago. I think the damage was minor at first. I think we could have prevented it. That word, think, is lethal. Because it becomes an admission, it becomes a timeline, it becomes responsibility. Insurance companies don't care that you were guessing. They care that you wrote it. Most business owners don't lie. They guess. They guess when damage started, how severe it was, what caused it. But in insurance law, right finger a written guess equals a factual statement. Once recorded, it overrides later inspections, expert opinions, contractor reports. Your guess becomes the story. Another common email line, we didn't really maintain this regularly. Business owners say this to be honest. Insurance companies hear negligence, preventable damage, policy exclusion. Most policies do not cover poor maintenance. One sentence like this can wipe out property claims, equipment claims, water damage claims. Another deadly habit, apologizing. Emails like, sorry, this is probably our mistake. We should have handled this better. My team may have messed up. In real life, apologies show responsibility. In insurance, right finger apologies equals admissions of fault. Fault equals denial. Insurance policies are strict about timing. When did damage occur? When did you discover it? When did you report it? Now imagine this email. We noticed some issues months ago but didn't think it was serious. That single line triggers late notice, violation, gradual damage exclusion, claim rejection, even if the real damage happened last week. Words that sound casual can be fatal. Probably, maybe, not sure, kind of, sort of. Insurance companies translate casual language into legal certainty. They don't hear uncertainty. They hear confirmation. Phone calls fade. Emails don't. Emails can be reread, quoted, used in court, used years later. Even if you clarify later, you correct yourself, you explain better, the first email stays. Many claims fail because people over-explain. They write long emotional emails trying to be helpful, be transparent, be cooperative, but insurance does not reward oversharing. Right finger silence is often safer than speculation. This video is about what not to say. But here's a safe alternative structure. Stick to observable facts. Avoid guessing causes. Avoid timelines you're unsure of. Avoid responsibility language. Example, damage was discovered on date. The affected area is location. We are requesting inspection and guidance. That's it. No theories. No apologies. No assumptions. Small business owners are emotional, are stressed, want fast solutions, don't understand policy language. Insurance companies know this. They rely on your own words to close files quickly. Most claim denials are not about fraud. They are about wording, timing, self-inflicted statements. One careless email can cost $10,000, $50,000, or the survival of your business. Here is the golden rule. Right finger: never put assumptions, blame, or timelines in writing unless advised by a professional. Your policy is not your friend. Your email is not casual. Your words are evidence. Insurance claims are not about fairness. They are about language and contracts. The most dangerous thing in a claim is not the damage. Right finger: it's your own email. Before you write, before you explain, before you apologize, stop. Because one email, just one, can kill your entire insurance claim.